guys, good morning. If you're watching this, that means you're watching the replay. So type hashtag replay and happy Monday. Today is day 12 of Sari Challenge and I'm in a good mood today because some days you get up cranky and the week itself is so overloaded. Even though I was out all day for Saturday and Sunday, I was able to achieve most of the stuff I was planned for over the weekend. So that way I'm really happy. So I was in a good mood to start the day this week because for me I have to plan my weekday meals and everything during weekend. That's how I plan because that's now that I'm doing the Sari challenge and everything, it takes my mornings almost, I would say, at least till 12 or something, because I need to then keep it them perfectly. You can see the weather, the sun is a little harsh. Maybe I'll close it a little bit more. Yeah, so that way, that's how I like it, because otherwise think of having everyday sari lying around or the jewelry and all the things, and I need to clean the brushes too. So if you are someone who is into makeup and know, that means you need to clean your brushes often, otherwise you are going to start breakout. And now that mask is off, my acne has controlled a lot, so I don't want to do that mistake again. Since now I am using the brushes every single day, I'm just trying to clean as and when I can, because that really helps the next day to start. Because if your brushes are muddy, then the makeup will also be muddy, like you won't get that clear strokes. Similar way, if you don't wash your face before going to bed with the makeup, then again you will break out. So if you're hopping on, say hi. And today's eye look, this sari is my unjal sari, we call it. The day I get married, this is the first thing we wear, and then I change it to my mugurtam sari. So this is my maternal uncle and aunt, they got it. So this is not a usual combination I would wear, but I always say, step out and try something new when an opportunity happens. So I still love it. So that's the one I wore. And when I planned this eye look itself, each day, that is my goal. My goal is to do different lip looks, different eye looks, and if I can find something that goes with from the eye look album, that makes it even more easier for me, because that way I can recreate it and show you guys at the same time. So that's the one I recreated. I think this is, again, yesterday's one was called Mulan from the Disney series, and I think this one is Belle, obviously. So being an yellow. Hi Jayashree, good morning. Okay, for you, good evening. So this is like Belle, Belle is yellow, so this is more of a golden and brown tone. Since this sari is like a monotone, I don't know whether I have many of these single tone ones. Hi Soumya, good morning. So what I did is I color corrected as usual with what is this, natural tan, and this look is really simple. Actually, if you see the look, they have used Mocha Java. Mocha Java, I don't have, first of all, I don't have Mocha Java as a matte shade. I do have Mocha Java shimmer. Anytime when a color comes in matte and shimmer, the shimmer will be little lighter. So if you consider, there are few examples, like for example, copper rose as a matte shade, and you get copper rose as a shimmer shade. So similar way, sandstone pearl, you get matte and shimmer, and smoke topaz you get as a matte and as well as shimmer. So in those kind of shades, the matte shade will look prominent, whereas I didn't have Mocha Java, and I wasn't sure whether Mocha Java will show up on my skin tone. So what I used is I substituted Americano. So anytime you can thin out the shade. So that means if you keep blending, this will look lighter. So I try to achieve the look of Mocha Java with Americano. So it is basically how you blend the shades. So that's how I achieved it. So today in the crease I have used Americano, and here it is garnet. So garnet is such a pretty brown, so I have used it on the outer corner and also in my crease. So we have 2-3 browns, like I think we have rustic brown, garnet, burgundy is sold out, but we have French roast. So each of them has a little different tone. Garnet goes really well. For example, whether you are a brown eye look lover, hi Shweta, good morning. So whether you are on a brown eye look lover or a pink eye look lover, you can still use brown. Brown can go with both the shades, or even green. Brown will go amazingly well. So these kind of matte brown shades will be really nice, and if you're much fairer than me, you will be able to even use it as an eyeliner too. So that's the color I am using here. And for the gold tone, I have used warm gold shimmer. I think even yesterday or day before yesterday also I have used it. So here the look has more of that yellowish tone, and then just has brown on the corners. So that's the color I am wearing, the warm gold shimmer. And you can see again I used the gold pencil in my inner corner, because that will just accentuate your eyes. When a person looks at it, their concentration is going to directly come to your eyes. So that's the reason you get a light color in your inner corner. And I have used brown pencil. Since garnet is brown, I have used just the brown pencil. We have black, brown, and this is just brown. So I thought instead of using black brown, just a brown would really look nice. So that's the one I have used in my lower waterline. And I have used Starry Sky as my eyeliner, because since this has more of shimmer, I have used a shimmer color as my eyeliner. And for my lip look, since I paired it with like a nice maroonish blouse, I used crimson. So that's the lip color I wore, because the whole look is more of warm tones. So I thought this will go really well as a pop. As I said, I paired the necklace with the red and gold, so that's why I have gold in my eyes, whereas red as a lip color. This is not a popping red like how hurricane red or anything. This is more of a maroonish red, so that's why I picked a little darker shade to go with it. And this is crimson. These colors will apply really well, and this will go pretty much with any of your Indian skin tones and Indian dresses, I would say. Whether it's a sari, whether it's a any outfit, this color will be really nice. And I have used red delicious gloss on top of it. So you can pretty much do red glitter, mystic berry. There are like tons of glosses, or you can pretty much do your glossy gloss or the matte gloss too. So anytime glosses are your preference, but you need a gloss to seal the color, and then you can forget about it. So it's not going to transfer. I wish I had this during when I got married. That way you don't have to worry about it eating or drinking or staying all day. This could have been very nice for all the pictures. So that's the one I'm wearing. And I have got a Glow Duo collection. This is one of the recent recent editions. It came directly before the mystery bag. So this got there is no time to highlight it at all. So this is the colors actually. So it comes with a gloss, but it's a very pigmented gloss, and same way it comes with like a orangish shimmery like a shimmery eyeshadow color. So this is bronzed blush shimmer. So obviously with the name itself, you will be definitely able to use it on your eye color and definitely as your blush shade. Like yesterday, I think it's today, one day I wore Bella Shimmer as my Shadow Sense as my blush. So similar way, this will look really nice as a blush too. And today I think I wore Pearlizer. Do you see the glow that gives by the Pearlizer? So I used it all over my cheeks. So you can see this is my bottle which I got when I signed up, maybe after 2-3 months or so. But this is how much I have used in the 3.5 years. So you have such a amount of product that you have, and you will use like a tiny drop to give the glow. Pearlizer is like my must have for any of these kind of what is it, like looks, because it is going to make it a more golden and more rose gold kind of finish. Let me just, and you can pretty much use it anywhere all over the body. For example, you can mix it with your day moisturizer all over the face without even foundation. You can even use it on your shoulders if you're using an off shoulder dress or cap sleeves, you can see, or if you're going for what is it, like in summer you wear skirts or shorts, then you can pretty much wear this with your body lotion, and it's going to give that nice glow to your body. So it is such a creamy consistency, so pretty much you will be able to use anywhere. And let me just swatch this one for you to see. It was such a, it looks like as if it's a lip color. That's how much, even though it's a gloss, it had a nice high pigmented to it. Do you see? It's just a gloss. Usually gloss will not have this much pigment, but being a gloss, this is nicely pigmented. Let me wipe it out, otherwise it's going to get onto my shirt. So the difference between a gloss and a lip color is, Lipson's color will not transfer, but it needs a gloss to seal. But gloss is not smudge resistant. Gloss will either transfer or gets absorbed by the lips, because it has vitamin E and shea butter. It will get absorbed by the lips as a lip balm, or you can wear lip gloss by its own, whereas the Lipsons cannot. For a Lipsons to work as a smudge resistant, you need what is it, like you need a gloss to seal with it. So that's the one. And this one is again from Abharna. I love these kind of statement necklaces, and I wore a bangle from Sabita to match it. It's what to say, like a Dasavadaram bangle. I was so in love with it when I saw, because my husband's name is Ram and my son's name is Krish. So when I can wear both at one, I was so excited. Now I'm waiting for a necklace to match with it. So that's the one I wore. That's it for today's look. I will make what is it, like a first look soon for this one, or I will wear along during the July cycle itself. If I can wear it, that will be nice too. So I will try to make one. And what else, this month the promo is still going on, so I'm still waiting on 2-3 people who is yet to get the color or anything free. That way I will know what is it, like what they are going to get, and I will keep you guys posted. And if you need anything, please do let me know, and have a wonderful week ahead, guys.